Let's in the meantime talk about the Congress party, because the party has gone ahead to release the second list of candidates for the upcoming elections. As Dharampal Chandela, who has now been fielded from Rajouri Garden constituency, while Pradeep Kumar Upmanyu has been asked to contest from the Delhi Cant. Now, this list follows the party's first list of announcements that were previously made on the 21st of December. But with the latest list that has now been announced, that over 50 people have lost their lives in riots that ravaged northeast Delhi back in 2020. And come next year, two of the accused in the violence that led to those deaths might be in the poll fray for the upcoming Delhi elections. Just days after the AIMIM announced that the former Aam Aadmi Party leader Tahir Hussain, an under-trial prisoner in Delhi riots case, would be contesting on their ticket. And now their likelihood of the Congress party too seems to be following suit. Times Now has learned that Congress is mulling to give ticket to Ishrat Jahan, who is an accused in 2020 riots, currently out on bail. And sources say that at the Congress Central Election Committee's meeting, Rahul Gandhi himself batted for Ishrat Jahan to be fielded from the Okhla seat. We are told that Rahul Gandhi said that if a candidate has been working hard in their area for a long time and has gone to jail, then that person deserves to get a ticket. Let's in the meantime talk about who exactly is Ishrat Jahan, who is Congress's Okhla candidate. According to sources, it is Rahul Gandhi himself who has made the case at the Congress CEC, where the discussion were taking place, where Rahul Gandhi is batting for Ishrat Jahan. Ishrat may contest from the Okhla seat, and Rahul Gandhi says that work matters, not going to jail, and if she's been working in the area, then she deserves to get a ticket. That is what we are learning through sources. How the BJP is now reacting, because armed with these developments, the BJP is yet to release its list of candidates for the upcoming Delhi elections, says that this is Congress's DNA to promote those who are accused of violence, whether it is 1984 riot accused or the 2020 riot accused.
कांग्रेस का हाथ हमेशा दंगाइयों के साथ। अब खबर सामने आ रही है कि इशरत जहां, जिनका नाम दिल्ली दंगों में शामिल है, जिनके ऊपर चार्जेस कोर्ट ने फ्रेम कर दिए हैं, उसको टिकट देना चाह रही है कांग्रेस पार्टी, और राहुल गांधी खुद पैरवी कर रहे हैं। ये इशरत जहां दिल्ली दंगों में शामिल है। दूसरी एक इशरत जहां थी जिसकी पैरवी कांग्रेस करती थी और उसे मासूम बताती थी, जो एलईटी की आतंकवादी थी, जिसके लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सीबीआई वर्सेस आईबी करवा दिया था। जब आईबी ऑफिसर उन्हीं के कहते थे कि इशरत जहां आतंकवादी है और मोदी जी को मारने के लिए उसने एलईटी के ऑपरेशन को ऑपरेशनलाइज किया है, तब सीबीआई से ये बयान दिलवाया जाता था और सीबीआई से ये कार्रवाई करवाई जाती थी कि इशरत जहां मासूम है।
राहुल गांधी जी आज इशरत जहां को टिकट देने की पैरवी कर रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि उसने जेल काटी, इसलिए उसको टिकट मिलनी चाहिए। कांग्रेस ने अपनी 30-35 साल में अपनी मानसिकता को नहीं बदला। वो आज भी कत्लेआम करने वाले, दंगे फसाद करने वाले और धर्म के नाम पर लोगों को मारने वालों को ही टिकटें देती है और उनका उत्साह बढ़ाती है। इसी तरह 1984 के कत्लेआम करने वाले जगदीश टाइटलर, सज्जन कुमार, एचकेएल भगत, धर्मदास शास्त्री, उनको इनाम दिए गए, उनको टिकटें दी गई, उनको मंत्री पद दिए गए। और अब 2020 के दंगे कराने वाले, बेकसूर लोगों को मारने वाले और यहां तक कि आईबी अफसर की हत्या करने के आरोपी, ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने संयोजित तरीके से एक धर्म के लोगों पर हमला किया और धार्मिक दंगे भड़काए 2020 में, उस इशरत जहां को मुख्य दोषी है जो, उसको राहुल गांधी टिकट देने की कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं और पैरवाई कर रहे हैं। तो बड़ा स्पष्ट है कांग्रेस दंगाइयों के साथ है।
Well, we have Rishabh joining us right now. Rishabh, good morning. As far as when it comes to the controversy surrounding certain candidates are concerned, when it comes to the AIMIM and now over the Congress party, they are ready to give tickets to those who are said to be involved in violence when it comes to the cases that have been going on against them.
Well, Amita, good morning. Yeah, definitely. The way, politics is running around, and remember, it's the first election of Delhi Assembly since the 2020 riots. In between these riots, there have been, in between the last election and this election, there has been a deadly riot in national capital, as well as COVID and whatnot. And now when parties are releasing their candidate list, with every name there comes a backstory. Here, Ishrat Jahan is being spoken about. Sources such as that Rahul Gandhi himself is backing her candidature from Okhla. Remember, Ishrat Jahan has been charged by certain courts in Delhi for her involvement in violence in 2022 riots, and it would be interesting to see whether Congress will give ticket to her or not. But having said that, the the defense that is coming in from the Congress party, or for that matter, sources in Congress party as of now, because no one has spoken openly on this issue, is that she has not been convicted. Yes, there are charges, there are arguments going on in court. She's accused but not convicted yet, is what the Congress party says. Why the BJP is all guns open, saying that this is brazen, attack on the peace of national capital
so
by Congress.
The charges don't matter as far as the work that has been done in the Sevatun area. That person deserves to get a ticket. That, accordingly, through sources, what we are learning, that Rahul Gandhi seems to be himself batting for Ishrat Jahan, who is said to be the 2020 Delhi riots case accused. Thank you very much for the moment, Rishabh, for joining in.